I log in. After login, I can see a dashboard, customer, supplier, purchase amount, sale amount. Settings, we have company, to set logo, footer, address for the invoice or for the bill. We have users. In product settings, we have category, subcategory, customers, suppliers, and products. Product we listed here to purchase or to sell. We have buying price and selling price. Now I will purchase. At purchase, I can see from items. Quantity. The summation of total is coming from code. Date of purchase, description, text, and who is supplier. On the fly we can set here supplier. Supplier 1, test, gmail.com, address, city, state, zip, phone number. We will save now. We got purchase or inventory. We can edit. We can print this pay to items, general information. This is our purchase or inventory, and we can sell. This is same like purchase. Items we can add. That is coming from selling price. Customer, this is the invoice. We will print the invoice. Bill to items, general information. Purchase report. Furniture, table 1. We can see here report. purchase, we can see summary, we can see details. Same like we can see invoice, summary, details. I operate the system. Now I will show you how the code works. Invoice, admin, application, view, controller, admin, suppose, purchase. This is the purchase controller. In index we will display our table. In save we will add or update. Here we are saving each item. We call this in save function. Details remove, search, download, what about model? Purchase model. We have model here about purchase. And in view, purchase from. We can see here multiple items at a time. Those are many forms or many fields at a time. We are embedding many forms in a single form for items. So how they work? We have a template, item form template. We have name, product ID, that is array, because we are passing a list of data, and ID. Look here, _0 I set here. So when I will add more item, I am replacing 0 and I am increment with 1 every time. Set cost, we are calling data from the server. Item total we are calculating. Update cost we are calculating. Supplier on the fly. If I add new supplier from here, that will be added here auto. We do not need to add a supplier from here. We can add supplier on the fly in this way. Same like invoice. Invoice form. We have a template to add more items. at add mode we are replacing 0 and set our current form number, remove item, set cost, set item total, update cost, and our customer information. You can download the code from GitHub. Category, subcategory table, invoice, item invoice. In item invoice we have invoice ID, product table, buying price, selling price, categories,